Hi everyone, welcome to the session where I'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebook via command prompt in Windows 10. Well, even though if you have the Anaconda installed in your system where you will have Jupyter, Spyder and many other APIs, but still if you type Jupyter in your command prompt, you will get this message: Jupyter is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or batch file. Now, in order to install Jupyter Notebook via command prompt, what we will do for this, I want to just share this. See, when you are trying to use this method, so what you need to do is first, if you have not upgraded your pip, just go and upgrade your pip or pip 3, and this is the link which I tried setting up my environment from Stack Overflow, but somehow it was not working. So ultimately I tried this how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows, and I will use this command. And while using, you may get a message like install the Rust manager. It's very simple to just install. So let's start with Python pip Jupyter. Okay, Python -m pip install Jupyter, and we'll run this. See, for me, what I have done, I have tried previously, and so all the packages are available, and it is saying that requirement already satisfied. So now, in order to check whether my Jupyter is installed or not, I'll do CLS and then I'll type Jupyter, Jupyter, Jupyter. Okay, and you can see this kind of options. Like I have just simply typed Jupyter. I have not given the version. If I give Jupyter, these are my versions of all the utilities that we'll use in Jupyter. Now, if I want to start a Jupyter notebook, I'll just say, and so my Jupyter notebook has been initiated. If you want to create a simple Python file, just go here and we'll say print. Okay, in this way I have shown you how to install Jupyter notebook via command prompt, and you need to take care of few things like upgrade your pip, and then you may try like setting up your environment variable, but it did not work for me. And then I have installed Jupyter notebook by running this command, and in your case it may ask to install Rust manager, so you can refer how to install the Rust manager. Okay, so the main intention of this video is, in my next video I will show you how to trigger how to open a Jupyter notebook by running a batch file .bat file from my desktop. So thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.